Our cosmic neighborhood, a universe of possibilities. Look up at the night sky, what do you see? Countless stars, distant lights, each one a sun. Perhaps like ours. Our universe is vast, unimaginably big. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, it has billions of stars, and there are billions of galaxies. It seems natural to wonder, are we alone in all this space, with so many stars, so many worlds? Surely life must exist elsewhere. It feels like a certainty, a simple numbers game. The conditions for life might be common, not just here on our small Earth. One day, a brilliant physicist asked, his name was Enrico Fermi. He thought about all these stars, he thought about all these chances. Then he asked a simple question, a question that still haunts us. If life is common, he pondered, where is everybody? This simple question leads to a puzzle. We call it the Fermi Paradox. The universe is ancient, it is huge. There should be many civilizations, older than ours, more advanced, yet we find no clear signs, no signals, no visits, no cosmic empires, just silence. Why? Let's try to grasp the numbers. They are truly astronomical, mind-boggling. Our Milky Way galaxy has perhaps 200 billion stars, maybe even 400 billion. It's a lot, and that is just one galaxy, our home. Astronomers estimate there are 2 trillion galaxies, yes, 2 trillion, each with billions of stars. Think about that for a moment. Now consider the stars themselves. Each star is a potential sun. Many of these suns will have planets. Our own sun has 8, plus dwarf planets. We are finding planets everywhere. Around stars near and far, thousands confirmed, billions suspected. The universe is teeming with worlds. Many of these planets could be like Earth. They orbit in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, just right for liquid water. Water is key for life as we know it. There could be billions of such planets, billions of chances for life to start, in our galaxy alone. So, the math seems clear. The probability of life arising elsewhere, it should be very high, even if life is a rare event. The sheer number of opportunities, it suggests the cosmos should be full of life, full of intelligence, yet, we seem to be on our own. If other civilizations exist, what would we expect? Perhaps they would explore. They might send out probes or colonists. Maybe they would build giant structures, things we could see from far away, or they might broadcast signals, radio waves, lasers, something deliberate, something to say, we are here. But when we listen, what do we hear? Mostly cosmic background noise, the hum of the universe itself, the whispers of distant natural events. No clear messages, no alien pop songs, no beacons guiding ships through space. The universe is remarkably quiet. Suspiciously quiet, some might say. This is the heart of the paradox. The numbers say life should be common. Our observations say it is not, or at least it is not obvious. This contradiction is profound. It makes us question everything, our understanding of life, our place in the grand cosmic scheme. It forces us to think hard. Are our calculations wrong somewhere? Is life much rarer than we imagine? Or is intelligence the rare part? Perhaps civilizations do not last long, or maybe they are just too far away. The silence has many possible answers. Each one is fascinating. And a bit scary. One powerful idea is the Great Filter. Imagine life's journey as a series of steps, from simple chemistry to complex beings, then to intelligence and technology. The Great Filter is a step that is very hard, extremely hard, almost impossible. So hard that most life fails to pass it. It filters out potential civilizations. Where could this filter be? It might be in our past. Perhaps the origin of life itself, that first spark from non-life to life. Maybe that step is incredibly rare, or the jump to complex cells, eukaryotes. If so, we are lucky. We passed it. We are among the very few. But what if the filter is ahead of us? This is a more worrying thought. It means all life reaches a point where it faces a great challenge, a challenge most do not survive. Could it be nuclear war, climate change, a rogue artificial intelligence, something that stops civilizations from spreading? The Great Filter concept is sobering. If the filter is behind us, we are special. If it is ahead, we are in danger. Our future depends on understanding it, and hopefully finding a way through. The silence of the universe might be a warning, a sign of a common, deadly obstacle, one we have yet to face. Section 5. Are we truly special? The rare Earth idea. Another possibility is the rare Earth hypothesis. This idea suggests Earth is not typical. It suggests our planet is incredibly special. A unique combination of many factors, all of which had to be just right. For complex life like us to evolve. It's like winning a cosmic lottery, against unbelievable odds. Think about what makes Earth habitable. We have a large moon, it stabilizes our tilt. This gives us stable seasons. We have a magnetic field, it shields us, protects us from harmful solar radiation. We have plate tectonics, it recycles nutrients. And of course, liquid water on the surface. So many things had to align perfectly. If these conditions are extremely rare, then simple life might be common. Microbes could exist on many worlds, but complex life, animals, intelligent beings, that might be exceptionally uncommon, perhaps only here, on this one planet, out of trillions and trillions of worlds, a lonely bastion of complexity. This makes humanity very precious. If we are the only thinking beings, the universe's only way to know itself, it places a great responsibility on us, to cherish our world, to survive. But it also paints a lonely picture, a vast, empty cosmos, with us as its solitary observers. Section 6, the galactic zoo, or echoes in the dark. What if they are out there but choose not to interact? This is known as the zoo hypothesis. Advanced civilizations might know we are here. They might be watching us, studying us, like we observe animals in a wildlife park, or a protected, uncontacted tribe. They might have a policy of non-interference, letting us develop on our own. Perhaps they are waiting for us to mature, to become less dangerous, more wise, before they make contact. It is an intriguing idea. It means we are not alone, but we are deliberately kept isolated for our own good, or theirs. Another thought is that civilizations are like fireflies. They blink into existence, they shine for a while, then they fade away. Perhaps they destroy themselves, or they succumb to natural disasters, before they can make widespread contact, before they can cross the vast distances. So the galaxy might be full of ruins, echoes of civilizations long gone. We might be living in a cosmic graveyard. Detecting them would be very hard, like trying to find ancient campsites scattered across a continent. The timing might just be off. We are here now. Were they here before? Section 7. Listening for whispers, our search for others. We are not just passively waiting. Humanity is actively searching. We are straining our ears, our eyes, trying to catch any hint of others. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, it has been going on for decades, using giant radio telescopes to listen for artificial signals. These telescopes scan the skies, day and night, listening patiently for a pattern, a message, something that nature could not produce. So far, only intriguing maybes. No confirmed alien broadcasts. But the search continues, it expands. With new technology, new methods. The James Webb Space Telescope is a game changer. It can peer into the atmospheres of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. It looks for biosignatures, chemical signs of life, like oxygen, methane, or other gases. That could indicate living processes. It is a new window on distant worlds. This search is driven by deep curiosity, a fundamental human desire to know. Are we the only ones asking these questions? The only ones looking up at the stars? Every new discovery fuels our hope. Every new telescope gives us a better view. The quest for connection is powerful. It defines a part of who we are. Section 8, alone or among many, our place in the cosmos. So, what does it all mean, this grand cosmic question, the silence of the universe, our persistent search for an answer? What if we are truly alone, the only intelligent life in this galaxy, or even the entire observable universe? That would make humanity incredibly significant. If we are the sole bearers of consciousness, the universe's only way to reflect upon itself, then our survival is paramount. Our responsibility is immense, to protect this fragile spark of thought, to explore, to understand, to carry the legacy of life forward, a lonely but perhaps noble destiny. But what if we are not alone? What if tomorrow we find a signal, or evidence of life on another world? That would change everything. Our perspective on ourselves, our place. We would become part of a larger cosmic community, no longer the center of our own story, but a chapter in a much grander tale. The search for extraterrestrial life continues. It is one of the greatest adventures undertaken by our species. Whether we find others or not, the quest itself teaches us about our universe, about ourselves. The cosmos holds its secrets close, but we keep asking, we keep looking.